How to autosave chats on Snapchat. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can autosave chats on Snapchat. Let's get started with the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your Snapchat app and click any chat, and then click these three dots on the top right corner and then click chat settings. Here you can see there are these two options of keep snaps in chat. You have to toggle this on. Right now I am on my AI chat, so it does not send me any snaps, so that's not an option available for me. But you can just choose any chat of your friends and click this on. You have to turn this button blue just by clicking it, and then you can click this first option, hide chats, and click 24 hours after viewing. Now it's going to stay in your chat for 24 hours after viewing it, and it's going to be saved over there for 24 hours. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.